Hello, what's up, good people? I'm your girl Meeshee, yet back again with a new video. So today we are going to cook, and first I'm going ahead to just rearrange my vegetables and then clean them up so that you can have a clean space to cook and clean food also. So what I usually do, I tend to wash my vegetables with soap just to disinfect them, because I do not have vinegar to do that, but I'm planning to get it. So that's what I'm literally going to do, wash them with soap, but I rinse little soap, but I usually rinse them a lot so that it will not remain soapy or feel like the food is soapy. Yeah. So for my danias or coriander, I tend to wash the roots of it and then wash the flower itself, and then when I'm storing it, I usually put it in a jug full of water and then I put it in the fridge so that it can last at least a full week. It can push me through. Yeah, and then I'm going ahead, because today we're going to eat roasted potatoes with chicken stew. I decided to peel off the potatoes, and then I'll go ahead and wash them, clean them up. Yeah.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't.
So what I'm going ahead to do is to chop them or slice them into circular shape and into small shape, like the way you can do crisps. Yeah, so that's what I'm going ahead to do, chop them into or slice them into circular small shapes, and then after doing that, I'm placing them in a bowl that I'll show you what I'll do next after doing that. Yeah, I'm going to put salt and mix it together, and then what I'll do is let the potatoes sit in the salt for a while to just soak in the soap. The reason why I do this is because I don't like putting salt when I'm eating, so this is in the process and also makes the food be more yummy. Yeah, so even when I'm doing chips, I tend to soak them in a salty water before I put them in before I deep fry them. So what I'm going to do is set my oven to be ready to bake the potatoes. I use 180 degrees, and then I preheat it for 10 minutes. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then I always do this, so I felt like I'll show you guys this process. I always blend my tomatoes at least a big amount so that it can push me for like 3 days. So that's why I'm chopping all those tomatoes, and then what I'll go ahead to do is just blend it to ease the process of cooking, and also just to ease my work when cooking food. Yeah.
In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way, but now I know you're the answer.
So for me, I'm those people who hate picking nyanyas in food, and that's why I prefer blending it kabisa. And then what I'm going ahead is to set my pan where I'm going to place the potatoes, And these are the buns that come with the oven. I'm using a aluminium foil to do that. And then my bristle brush, the one from the set that I got. In case you didn't watch the video of my cooking utensils haul, you can just link it up below so that you can be able to see. Yeah, so what I'm going ahead is just to spread off the potatoes so that they all can be heated up, and then I can also spread the oil easily, and to ease in the process of just doing that. Yeah, so I decided to put onions and ho-hos in the mixture just to spice it up. And because I'm not using any spices, honestly, I felt like why not try out having onions and ho-ho in my roasted potatoes.
No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right.
So after this, I'm going to put the potatoes into the oven and leave them for at least 30 minutes, but I'll keep on checking on it just to be sure everything is going on well, and also not to really burn it so much to be hard. So yeah, and then what I'm going ahead to do, we want to fry up the chicken. And to make the stew, what I'm going ahead is to just put the onions and let it steam for a while. And then I'm going ahead to put the blended tomatoes, and I always tend to add some tomato paste into my mix to just make the color be strong and make the food be more tasty. Yeah. So I'll let it steam for a while before I put the chicken. So what I'm cooking today is chicken kienyeji, and yeah, I had to boil it aside first before I stew it up, since it tends to be hard. And also got a hack for you people: when you want to do kienyeji for it to be soft, soak it in the meat tenderizer spice for 30 minutes before cooking, and then go ahead and boil it, and I guarantee you for sure the meat will be very soft. Yeah, so as you watch, I've added some little of pili pili to just give a taste, and also some coriander, and I'll put some little soup since our potatoes will be dry and we need something that will just soup it up. And then I let it boil for a while.
I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed.
So my potatoes are doing well, as you can see, they are doing well. Yeah, so I just kept on checking on them and to just be keen not to overcook them. And yeah, these are the end results of everything. I loved it. It was very yummy. It was very yummy. A few of them almost got burnt, but yeah, it is well. It was well. It was well. So what I'll go ahead to do is serve it up and have a good lunch.
In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone.
The beauty of having the foil is it isn't up the process of cleaning the utensils, and also it makes your food heat up nicely. So what you're going to do is just serve the meal and enjoy it. And this is the end result of everything. The food was very yummy. We even finished the potatoes in one sitting because of how beautiful and how yummy the food looked and also tasted. Yeah, so enjoy the final bits of it. In case you like this content, kindly click the like button and also share to your friends. In case you try it up, kindly share your reviews of how your food turned out. And yeah, for us it was very yummy. We really enjoyed the meal. Yeah, so until next time, see you again. Kindly, before I leave, comment down below if we should be doing more of eating videos or cooking videos with you. Yeah, so that I can be doing more recipes with you. Yeah, see you until next time. Bye bye.
You mean, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight. Cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go?